Hi guys, welcome. Let's see what's happening on the binary option platforms. I want to show you how to make money on it. And I have 20 seconds to make decision. Higher or lower, call or put, which way the price will go. This decision, I want to make $100 amount. This is my favorite because it's not less, not much. Let's say the price will go down. To understand the whole picture, we need to just scroll out a little bit, and in that case we can see the trend. You see there was a sharp and fast fall down of the price, and right now my prediction was wrong. I can see it already, 6 seconds, and the trend is up going for now. Alright, it's no big deal. If you've lost your bet, you need to change your amount for amount that is 2.5 times bigger. In that case, you can get back your money that you've spent for the wrong bet and to gain more as close as possible to the expiration timeline. You need to make your bet. In that case, you can be more specific and your prediction can be more profitable. Okay, the sharp movement of the market, it's very interesting. The market is going fast today, and that's why 97% on this asset. You can get 97% from each bet. Alright, my second prediction was wrong. It's very interesting. It's very interesting. In that case, we need to make amount of bet 2.5 times bigger. Let's see what's happening on the market in general. Alright, it's time to decide. Going up. I think that the price will go up. Let's check. My prediction is call option. I've pressed the call button, the green one. You see this widget is showing all the traders on the platform, how all the traders on the platform made their decisions right now. Okay, couple clicks and I have $679 plus. But you remember that I've spent a little bit on my previous bet. If you want, you need to change your amount back and to trade step by step. Alright, the great movement, and I think that price will go down right here. It can be right, it can be wrong, we'll see in couple seconds. Even if I will not win this bet, I will change my amount to the amount of 2.5 times bigger than it was, and in that case I will cover all my losses and I will get profit. That's it. This is always works. This always works. You see the movement today is pretty unpredictable, fast and sharp, and anyway, in that case I've made $96 more. It's going to be a short video. You understood the mechanics, yes? You understood the system. It's not difficult. It's pretty simple. You can try it yourself. All the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. And if you want, you can, of course, get practice on the practice account first of all. And my advice, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. All the useful links in the description panel. Wish you good luck, be careful, and see you in the next videos. Bye.